Hello to all of you, welcome back to your channel. And today I'm going to introduce you. We text automatically. Member on Facebook. First, we're going to use this software to manage a large number of your Facebook accounts. Then I'll use the automated messaging feature in the viral marketing section. When it comes to messaging, we need to prepare ourselves. The UID list. These are user lists of users on Facebook. If you don't have it, you can use it. Add a data scanning software. Potential customers on this Facebook of my side. Next, I'll prepare those ID lines. Then I'll be here already. You can use these ID lists. And those group ID lists. These people are lists. User. Your potential customers. You can scan it out. Then we'll move on to a software. Put this ID list up. Put this ID book up. Next, we'll need to compose the text to text. Compose content to text. So here we have two content type. One is the content type, and two is the content type. Design it yourself. As usual, I'm going to use these ready-made content. Let me text that. I use pre-written content to send messages. When using it, like that, then I'll install them. Part of the messaging feature by this ID. And how many text accounts are there? For example, let's say this is the year to 10 people. In addition, I will be able to set the number, time. How many seconds will it take to text? I'm leaving this as 43. That's 10 to 40 seconds. In addition, we can install when texting is like. Comment on the personal page does not depend. It's up to you. The next one is, we'll choose the accounts we need to run. Then we choose the accounts we need to run. Then we press start. The software will work. Lock in on the account. Facebook, then we will be real. Now the parts. Well, this automated messaging is very simple. And the uses. Tools like this will help us spread information to more customers. Send information to our customers, and from there will be arising out of the parts. In order, or who are interested. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you want to use the software, please text me through the parts. Information below the description.